Yes. So one of the biggest reasons why they're making this huge transition is due to compatibility issues that a lot of their users are having. We have a Windows operating system, and some of us were using, Word for 2013 or 2016 or 2019. And when we shared those documents and tried to collaborate, formatting changed because compatibility issues came up. So
Hmm.
with Microsoft 365, basically what's going to happen is we're all going to be using the latest and greatest Microsoft 365 tool, Microsoft tool, and Word is one of those tools. So if you look up at the top of your Word application and you see the name of your document that is up there, you should see a little drop down icon right next to it. And if you click that drop down icon, you can click on version history and look at every single version of that document, when that document was changed, who changed that document. And so
Hmm.
we can restore previous versions if we need to. A lot of people who draft general releases and things like that, oftentimes they will restore old versions. And because they're like, well, we didn't like that change, we need to restore it back. Well, you can manually make that change or you can restore that old version.
Nice. Okay.
And so with the new Word, it makes it much more manageable and much more possible to do that.